What controversies have surrounded the FIFA World Cup 2026 leading up to kickoff? With fears over safety, ticket issues, and labor disputes, you need to know what's casting a shadow over this global event right now. Human rights organizations have raised alarms about a distinctively dangerous climate of fear surrounding this year's World Cup. Fans and attendees worry that possible ICE enforcement presence at matches could lead to harassment or detentions, casting a dark shadow over the event's atmosphere. Adding to this concern is the political backdrop, with President Donald Trump's aggressive immigration policies and deportation raids creating tension and fear among immigrant communities attending the games. In March 2025, the Trade Union Building and Wood Workers International, BWI, accused FIFA of blocking a planned labor inspection at the Estadio Azteca in Mexico City. The stadium is undergoing renovations in preparation for the World Cup. This move raises questions about labor rights and working conditions for those involved in the infrastructure upgrades, spotlighting ongoing controversies around FIFA's oversight and responsibility in host cities. Fans in New York and New Jersey have reported being misled about ticket sales and seat locations for World Cup matches. Although FIFA advertised group stage tickets starting at $60, many tickets have been sold for much higher prices, fueling criticism over accessibility and pricing transparency. The confusion and dissatisfaction among fans risk damaging the fan experience before a single ball is kicked. Health experts from Queen's University Belfast have issued warnings about potential heat risks during matches in most host cities. They urged FIFA to schedule match kickoffs later in the afternoon or evening to reduce exposure to dangerous temperatures. This advice highlights ongoing safety concerns for players and fans alike in the summer heat of 2026's tournament locales. What this means for you is simple. If you're planning to attend or watch the FIFA World Cup 2026, be aware of the safety concerns, ticketing issues, and environmental risks that could affect your experience. Stay informed, plan carefully, and keep following trusted sources for updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more breaking coverage on this unfolding story.